I spent 3 weeks generating the same product demo script across 7 AI avatar platforms to find out which one actually looks real in 2026. Here's the full ranking. 3 things separate a convincing avatar from a creepy one: lip sync accuracy, natural eye movement and blinking, and emotional expression. Does the face actually match the energy of what's being said? I scored every tool on all 3. Coming in at 7 and 6, Vidnoz and older Runway avatar modes both produce visible mouth lag and flat facial texture. Fine for internal explainers, but put either in a paid ad and viewers scroll instantly. Not in contention for product demos. Number 5 is Synthesia. The lip sync is clean and it has the widest range of slide presenter avatars I've seen, but the delivery is stiff. There's almost no variation in expression, which kills it for UGC-style ads. If you're making HR training videos, Synthesia is actually excellent. For product ads, it feels corporate in the wrong way. Number 4, DID. This one surprised me. It used to be top tier, but the field has moved fast. The avatars have a slight waxy skin texture that's hard to unsee once you notice it, and emotion mapping is limited to about 3 presets. Still usable, just outpaced. Number 3 is HeyGen. Genuinely good lip sync. Probably the most phoneme accurate of any tool I tested. Eye contact feels deliberate. Where it loses points is avatar variety for product demo personas. The catalogue skews toward a fairly narrow range of presenter styles, and emotional range is still more limited than I'd want for punchy ad hooks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Number 2 is a tie between HeyGen's latest avatar studio mode and Creatify's standard avatars. Both cleared my realism bar for paid social, but one pulled clearly ahead on the thing that actually matters for product ads. Number 1 is Creatify. What pushed it to the top isn't just lip sync, it's the combination of realistic expression variation plus a catalogue of over 100 UGC-style personas that actually look like real creators, not presenters. When I ran the same 30-second product hook through all 7 tools, the Creatify output was the only one my test panel couldn't immediately identify as AI generated. They claim a 94% ad win rate versus their leading AI competitor. That's a marketing number, so take it with a grain of salt, but the underlying realism is real. The avatars hold natural micro-expressions through a full 60-second script without drifting into the uncanny valley. The workflow is also the fastest of any tool I tested. You paste a product URL, Creatify pulls your images and pricing, you pick an avatar and voice, and a finished vertical ad comes out the other side in a few minutes. No timeline editing unless you want to tweak something. So here's my honest pick guide. If you need enterprise training content, use Synthesia. It's purpose-built for that. If you need the most phoneme accurate lip sync for a talking head explainer, HeyGen is genuinely excellent. But if you're running paid ads and you need an avatar that passes the scroll test, Creatify is the one I'd reach for in 2026. If you want to test the number 1 ranked avatar yourself, you can generate a free ad at creatify.ai. Paste your product link and see how the avatars hold up on your own product. Takes about 5 minutes.